Hello everyone, Dr. Rajesh Patel here, and I'm glad you could join me today. Today, let's break down two of the most common annoyances that almost everyone experiences at some point: coughs and sore throats. These symptoms can be frustrating, but understanding them can help you manage them better and worry less. Let's start with coughs. A cough is your body's way of clearing out irritants. Think of it as your lungs' built-in vacuum cleaner, working hard to keep your airways clear of dust, germs, or mucus. It's a protective reflex that helps prevent infections from settling deeper in your respiratory system. There are two main types of coughs: dry coughs, which don't bring up any mucus or phlegm, and wet coughs, which do. Dry coughs can feel scratchy and persistent, while wet coughs are often a sign your body is trying to get rid of something unwanted. Knowing which type of cough you have is important because it helps you choose the right treatment. For example, a dry cough might need soothing, while a wet cough may benefit from remedies that help loosen mucus. Now, let's talk about sore throats. A sore throat, or pharyngitis, is that painful, scratchy feeling in the back of your throat, usually caused by inflammation from an infection, allergies, or even dry air. It can make swallowing feel like a real chore, and even talking can become uncomfortable or painful. Sometimes you might notice your voice sounds hoarse or weak. Remember, both coughs and sore throats are symptoms, not diseases themselves. They're your body's alarm system, signaling that something's off, maybe a virus, bacteria, or even just irritation from the environment. Often, these symptoms show up together, especially during a cold or flu, but they can also appear separately depending on the cause. Sometimes, a sore throat is the very first sign that you're coming down with a cold, or a dry cough can irritate your throat until it becomes sore. The two are closely linked and can make each other worse. The good news? Most of the time, these symptoms are caused by minor illnesses, like the common cold or mild infections, that your body is well equipped to handle on its own. With a little rest and care, you'll usually feel better in a few days. With a few simple natural remedies, many found right in your kitchen, like honey, ginger, or warm teas, you can help your body heal and get back to normal faster. Staying hydrated and getting enough sleep are also key. So, let's dive deeper into what causes these symptoms, how to tell when it's something more serious, and the best ways you can find relief at home. Knowledge is power when it comes to your health. Understanding what's happening in your body is the first step to feeling better and taking control of your health. Let's get started on this journey together. Ready to learn more? Grab a notebook if you'd like, and let's go. Why do we cough? It's a question we've all wondered, especially when a tickle in the throat just won't go away. The most common reason is a viral infection, like the cold or flu. These viruses are everywhere, especially during certain seasons, and they can easily spread from person to person. When these viruses enter your body, they irritate your airways and trigger your immune system. Your body responds by making extra mucus to trap the invaders, and coughing helps clear it out, keeping your lungs and throat as clean as possible. Allergies are another big culprit. For many people, certain times of year bring sneezing, watery eyes, and of course, coughing. Pollen, dust, or pet dander can cause postnasal drip, which tickles your throat and makes you cough, often worse at night when you're lying down. This can make it hard to get a good night's sleep. Environmental irritants like smoke, pollution, or strong fumes can also set off your cough reflex. Even spending time in a smoky room or walking through a city with heavy traffic can make you cough, as your body tries to protect your lungs from harmful particles. Sometimes, conditions like acid reflux or certain medications can cause a persistent cough. Acid reflux can send stomach acid up into your throat, irritating it and making you cough, while some blood pressure medicines list cough as a side effect. Most coughs are your body's way of protecting itself and clearing out irritants. It's a natural defense mechanism that helps keep your airways clear and healthy. If your cough is mild and short-lived, it's usually nothing to worry about. Rest, fluids, and time are often all you need to recover. But if it lingers for more than a few weeks, or comes with other symptoms like fever or chest pain, it's time to look deeper and consult a healthcare professional. Next, let's talk about sore throats, another common symptom that often goes hand in hand with coughing. Sore throats are usually caused by viral infections, about 90% of the time. When viruses attack your throat, your immune system responds with inflammation, causing pain and swelling. Sometimes bacteria like Streptococcus cause strep throat, which is more severe and needs antibiotics. Dry air, yelling, or mouth breathing can also leave your throat feeling raw. Allergies and irritants, like smoke or spicy foods, can make things worse. Post-nasal drip from allergies can keep your throat irritated. Identifying what's causing your sore throat helps you find the right relief. Most sore throats are minor and get better on their own. But if it's severe or lasts more than a week, see a doctor. Now, let's look at natural remedies. Honey is a superstar remedy for coughs and sore throats. It's naturally antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, and its thick texture coats your throat for instant relief. Studies show honey can be as effective as some cough medicines, especially for kids over 1 year old. Take a spoonful straight or mix it into warm water or herbal tea. Add lemon for extra vitamin C. Never give honey to infants under 1 year due to the risk of botulism. For everyone else, honey is a simple, delicious way to soothe symptoms. Keep a jar handy during cold season. Let's explore more soothing options. Warm drinks are more than comforting. They help heal. Herbal teas like peppermint with menthol and chamomile for relaxation, soothe your throat and calm coughs. Slippery elm tea coats your throat, acting like a natural lozenge. Chicken soup or vegetable broth hydrates you, opens nasal passages, and provides nutrients. Add honey, ginger, or lemon to your tea for extra benefits. Sip warm liquids throughout the day to keep your throat moist and ease irritation. Staying hydrated is key to recovery. Even a steamy mug can make a big difference. Simple, gentle, and effective. Next, a classic remedy you can make in seconds. A saltwater gargle is a time-tested remedy for sore throats. Salt draws out excess fluid from swollen tissues, reducing pain and inflammation. It also helps flush out irritants and bacteria, keeping your throat cleaner. Mix half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water, gargle for 30 seconds, then spit. Repeat several times a day, especially after meals and before bed. The warmth soothes, and the salt does the healing. It's safe, cheap, and surprisingly effective. Add this to your daily routine when you're sick. Sometimes the simplest remedies work best. Let's check out more kitchen healers. Ginger is a powerhouse for coughs and sore throats. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties help reduce pain and fight germs. Ginger also loosens mucus and can calm a cough. Make ginger tea by steeping fresh slices in hot water. Add honey and lemon for extra relief. Turmeric, with its anti-inflammatory curcumin, can be added to warm milk or tea. Garlic boosts your immune system. Add it to soups or meals. Your kitchen is full of natural remedies. Use them. Simple ingredients, big benefits. Now, let's talk about the basics of recovery. Rest is your body's best friend when you're sick. Sleep lets your immune system work at full power. Drink plenty of fluids. Water, tea, and broth keep your throat moist and thin out mucus. Use a humidifier or take steamy showers to add moisture to dry air. Avoid irritants like smoke and strong fumes. They'll only make things worse. Give your voice a break. Talk less and avoid whispering. Combine these habits with natural remedies for the best results. Healing takes time, so be patient with your body. Small changes make a big difference. Take care of yourself and you'll recover faster. But when should you see a doctor? Most coughs and sore throats get better with home care, like drinking warm herbal teas or using natural remedies. These can be soothing and effective for minor symptoms. However, it's crucial to recognize when symptoms require a doctor's attention. Ignoring them could lead to complications. You should see a doctor if your sore throat is severe, comes on suddenly, or if it makes swallowing or breathing difficult. These are signs that something more serious might be happening. A high fever, especially when accompanied by a rash or white spots on your tonsils, can indicate an infection that needs medical treatment. Swollen lymph nodes are also red flags that should not be ignored. If your sore throat persists for more than a week, it's time to get checked by a healthcare professional. For coughs, it's important to see a doctor if it lasts more than 3 weeks, or if you experience symptoms like a high fever, chest pain, shortness of breath, or if you cough up blood. These symptoms could signal a more serious infection or condition that requires immediate attention. It's always better to be safe and consult a doctor to rule out any serious issues. Trust your instincts. If something feels wrong, don't hesitate to seek help. Early intervention can make a big difference. This is especially important for children, older adults, or anyone with chronic health issues, as they may be more vulnerable to complications. Natural remedies are great, but your doctor is your best backup when it comes to health concerns. Stay healthy, be proactive about your health, and take care of yourself and your loved ones.